So here we are. Tension is rising because I want to know, does it pass the sound test? One of the persons here need to end up with like a ringing sound in their ear, man. Yeah. So guys, it is a Capristo exhaust. Capristo exhaust. No Acropole feature, fake aftermarketing. No man, Capristo. We need to hear the fucking sound, yeah. Fucking hell, man, what is this shit? You can kill people with that for sure. It's even squirting a little bit on the floor, you know? Just how I like it. Oh, man. Fuck, man. Oh, it's insane. It's insane.